Hello guys, and thanks for coming to my YouTube channel Blender Star. Today we are going something special. We are creating curtain in Marvelous Designer and then we will import it into Blender 2.8. So we are solving some of the problem which we get when we use Marvelous Designer with Blender, and we will also cover some of the basic of Blender of Marvelous Designer. And we are creating a nice and clean carton that you can see on the screen now. So if you want to learn it, then continue with the video. If not, then skip the video. So let's get started. So first of all, here we have the Marvelous Designer. So this is the 2D pattern window. Okay, so here we create some 2D maps, and then here we will convert it to 3D. So that's how it works. It similarly work like in real life, like it's contain saving clothes and some more things. Okay, so the navigation is pretty much simple here. If we hold on the Alt and then left click, then we can zoom in and zoom out, and with right click we can rotate it. Okay, and with middle mouse we can do this view. Okay, and if you want to save the file, you can save it from here. If you want to import an obj or a character, you can do it from here, and you can export it from here. Okay, so that's the very basic of Marvelous Designer. Now let's see like how the government work. So for creating the curtain, we need a rectangular. So for that we need to click on this thing, or we can press S to go here. Okay, so now we are at rectangular, so drag a line something like this. It should be roughly equal to both the sides, so it will be easier to work with. Okay, and now let's drag a big one, something like this. Okay, and again we need a small one which will be help in creating a kind of like designs. Okay, and then we need something like this. Okay, you can use to select multiple objects shift. So with shift and click we can select the multiple objects, and we can grab it a bit up with left mouse click. Okay, something like this. Okay, so now we need one thing, that we need to freeze this one, and then we will save the following objects, so it will be simulate. So I select it, and now we need to right click, then make it freeze. You can also do it with Ctrl K, which is the shortcut, and you can also do it from here. Okay, now we are going for saving it. Okay, so for that we need to press N, or you can simply go here. Okay, N is the short key. So if we click on these things and then this one, make sure that you did not hit this side, because we need to save this side. Okay, so click on this one, and now click here, click here, click here, and click here. Okay, so now everything is pretty much done. Just we need to care for one thing, that if your PC is a bit low specs, then you need to make it a bit low poly, so it can help in freezing the software. Okay, sometimes it hangs because of low specs. It's a bit laggy software, and it's need a big graphics card and 8 GB or 8 GB plus RAM. So I select it, and then we can go here for the particle distance. So if we increase the particle distance, it means it will become more low poly, and if we decrease it, it will mean like it's going to be a high poly. So it's now 20, so let's make it 30. Also do the same things for the other, make it 30, select this one, make it 30, and also select this one and make it 30. So now it's pretty much done. We need to simulate it. For that, the short key is space, and we can do it from here. So as you can see, our cloth is now simulating. It's the speed is different on your PC specs. So if you have a high specs PC, it will be much quicker. So as you can see the result, it's pretty much awesome. And if you want to stop the simulation, you can click on this, or you can press the F key. Okay, so now you can navigate it from here. So as you can see, it's going pretty much awesome. Just we need to increase the particle, decrease the particle distance, so make it a bit high poly to make it a bit smoother. So now we will again make it 20 and 20 here, and for this one make this one also 20. Okay, so our simulation is pretty much done now. Okay, we can simulate it again if we are unhappy with some of the places. And the most interesting thing in Marvel's Designer is that you can drag some area, something like this, and it will be simulated again, like in real time. And it's so awesome and amazing feature of Marvel's Designer. It's also available now in Blender. There is an add-on. I will also make a video on it, that how you can do the same things like Marvel's Designer. Not the same, but it's pretty much relative to Marvel's Designer. So as you can see, it's pretty much slow because the particle system is the particle distance is 20 now, so it's a bit high poly. So I increased the particle distance again to 30 to make it a bit quicker. Okay, so I like this result now, so now we will make it again a bit high poly. Okay, so we are done with this now. Now we need to export it. So go to the file and then export OBJ, or you can if you use these, if you select these, then we can use this option OBJ selected, so it will export only the object which are selected. Okay, so we will click on this and we will name it simple as a curtain and save it. Okay, now we need to set up some things. We need to set up this scale, so we can choose any option which we want, but I want the default one, so it's mm, and then we need to make it default and then click on OK. So it's saved now. Now open Blender and then make it import OBJ, go to D, find the file and import it. Okay. Okay guys, so we get it and here is the result. I hope you like, and if you like then give me a like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. And for now, bye.